Here's the new rear wheel I had built up by a local mountain biker. Does excellent work. A Sun MTX33 rim with Sapim Force spokes, which have the 2.3 millimeter at the hub, 1.8 center, 2.0 at the nipple. Maxxis Holy Rollers tire, and of course a Hadley hub. All right, Gabby, go ahead and spin it up fast. Okay, that's good. This hub spins forever. Has the XT derail or cassette. I couldn't think of the name. Brain part. Still going. Gary Fisher Big Sur mountain bike, 2007. Almost done. There we go. All right, that Hadley hubs, sweetness.